In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Buddyboss to function like Circle. So creating a dynamic community-driven platform tailored to your specifications. Let's dive right in and transform your Buddyboss experience into an engaging environment just like Circle. So, first things first, we'll need to install WordPress on your hosting platform. This step is crucial as WordPress will serve as the backbone of your entire setup, providing flexibility and ease of management for your website. If you've never installed WordPress before, most hosting services offer a one-click installation process, making it straightforward and user-friendly. After successfully installing WordPress, the next step is to purchase and install the Buddyboss theme and platform from their official website, buddyboss.com. This investment brings a robust set of community-focused features to your platform, including customizable options and integration capabilities that closely mirror those of Circle. Now that Buddyboss has been added to your toolkit, navigate to your WordPress dashboard, and it's time to get the Buddyboss platform and theme up and running. Head over to Plugins, click on Add New, then select Upload Plugin, and finally upload both the Buddyboss platform and theme files. Once uploaded, don't forget to activate both to ensure all functionalities are accessible and ready to use. With your theme and platform in place, the next step involves exploring key Buddyboss components, such as profiles, groups, forums, and private messaging. These elements will lay the groundwork for your community interactions, enabling connections and conversations within your community. If you're looking to add educational value to your community similar to Circle, so consider installing Learn Dash. This powerful plugin is ideal for offering courses and creating a structured learning environment for your users, offering another layer of engagement and value. Once Learn Dash is set up, customization is the next crucial step. Head over to Appearance and select Customize. Here, you have the opportunity to set your logo, choose your colors, and tweak your branding to align with the vision for your community. This not only sets the visual tone, but also enhances usability and user engagement. Managing your community is made simple with Buddyboss. Simply go to Buddyboss in your dashboard and select Members. This section allows you to manage user access, permissions, and profiles, ensuring a seamless and interactive user experience. Lastly,